how to fix if Bluetooth audio not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here tap on this Bluetooth icon to turn it on and off. So do it 2 to 3 times, and after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. But after this, if you are still facing the issue while using the Bluetooth, then the next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button, and then from here tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart icon here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the Bluetooth audio will start working properly. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps, and then in apps again tap on this apps option. Now click on this 3 dot more option, and then tap on show system processes. Now go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth app. Now go to the storage of the app and clear the app data and cache memory of Bluetooth app. Now if you want to clear the cache memory, then just simply tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm. And after doing this, the Bluetooth will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth audio not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.